First thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna dig this out. Look at all the coal. Look at it. Jesus. Look at the coal. This has been rained on and everything. Dig it out though. Dig, 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 dig. All right. I think that's enough. Should I dig it out more? We want a big fire. One. Let's get this out. We want a good, decent fire. We need to make damper, right? So we're making damper and we're making shanks. All right, but the main thing that I want to learn is damper. I'm going to try to get this as small as I can. Okay, here we go. This is soaked, man, this piece of timber. Jeez, look at the water coming out of it, bro. Shit, almost broke my phone. All right, should we split that in half again? I think we should. That's what you want. Oh shit, I just hit that rock with my freaking axe. We got these fire starters. I bought these from Bunnings, bro. But Troy reckons if I cut them in half, you can split them. Oh, Jesus. It's not gonna happen. All right, I don't think it's gonna work. I'll use 3. Put 1 there, 2, all together like that, right? These are natural fire starters, yeah? There's 2, it smells like a birthday cake. Candle. Come on, baby. We've got them all lighting. Yep, we've got them all lighting. We've got them all lighting. All right, now, this is where, I don't know if this is going to take off. How do I do it? I've got a TP it. I think these are too big. I know, I'll go like this. I'm going to do this technique. Maybe it's stupid. Actually, what we'll do, the 2 thick ones like this. Right, like that. Huddle it there, and then we'll go like that. Like that. I don't know if this is going to work, boys. And then like that. I think it's working. It's working. Let's try split some more timber. Rock, you hungry? And then we've got to get this one going as well. This is our splitting log. All right, ready? I don't know if we can split it. Let's see. Oh my God, it just bounced off. Shit. It was too thick. Ooh. That was good. All right, I've got to do it a bit harder. Look at that. I'm happy with that. I don't know if this is going to burn good. Is this going to burn good though? 1, 2. That's good. That's good. This is going out. This is going out. It's going. Should I chuck another fire starter in? Is that bad? Just like that. Here we go. Alright, gotta keep splitting timber. That's a good one. The bigger we make this, the better. We need coal. Shit. I don't know if I'm putting this on too. I don't know if this is red gum. Should it go on later? Hey. What are you doing?
How long till I can cook?
How long till you can cook?
Yeah.
Jeez.
Where are you going?
Come have a look. Oh, where's your shoes? It's going out. It's going out, boys. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna chuck another fire starter in. Maybe we get the fuel later out. I don't know. It's fucking nothing but smoke. Should we do the fuel trick? And that is, that's red gum, isn't it? Listen to this. Listen to the sizzle. You hear that? I'm going to open this up really quick and start this one. This won't take me long, then we'll go back to that big fire. Alright, to put this here. In there. Tongs, go there. Open this up. She's ready already, look at that. There's the shanks. We use 2, I reckon. That's it, 2 like that. And then this is different because this isn't wet. Go, 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 go. So I should have done with that one over there, I reckon, straight away. True. What's going on with it? Shit, that's gone out. Fuck. Should have used smaller pieces, boys. That's looking good now. Alright. Let's see what this is doing. Oof. Oof. This one is like just holding on by a thread. I'm worried. It's beautiful. Let that burn out a little bit more, and then we'll keep stacking it. Fuck, nothing but smoke, huh? This is gone.
1, 2.
Let's do one each. We're gonna do one fire each. We're gonna bring them close here. Is that okay? Alex can focus on this one.
Far out.
And I can focus on this one. Go. Let's get this going.
I'm gonna smell like smoke now too. Come on.
So yours is gone now. What'd you do?
Little pieces, shavings. Get the
Teach me, teach
shavings. Get the shavings.
Come on, stay alive. My fire starter is fucking going out on me. The battery is a bit flat.
You know these shavings? Are these shavings any good?
Try it.
Like all these shavings, are they good or no? Like
you
if I
done with it?
sprinkle,
The fucking fire's going out though. Oh.
or is that gonna?
Hot? All good.
It's alright.
Watch out for that log, okay?
Clear.
Good. Where are you going to cook from?
Huh?
How are you going to do it?
What do you mean? How am I gonna do it?
Alright.
Scared this is gonna put it out.
No, it won't.
It's while this warms up, yeah?
What?
Because this is gonna take a bit to warm up. It's so cold.
I will in a sec. What's inside it, Al?
No, clean. I cleaned
Huh?
it today. But I think for the next 5 to 10 minutes, you go and get as many like small pieces as you possibly can
Yeah.
while this all heats up because it's all wet, it's all cold.
Alright. Where we take that lid off? Take this off.
The small circle.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's better.
Ouch. That can stay there.
Yeah.
I don't we should do too, like what Portical does. Is it hot?
Give it a breather.
Move it there. Oh. One there. That one there. Keep stacking it up.
Like sizzle them and sear them before you stew them. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, because you did it last time like that, didn't we?
Always. Any meat. You can see how unlevel the floor is.
Oh. Oh. Yes.
Oh, too much flour. Hold on.
Sorry? What'd you say?
Too much flour. So while these are going, we can prepare the damper, yeah?
Oh. First we'll cook the shanks. Is that too hot now?
No.
Hey?
Perfect. Oh my God, the smell of the garlic. I love that smell. Check it. Yeah, they're burning.
In a hand. Is that too much?
It's all right. So what I'm going to do now is take them off.
That's sick.
Like that. Because they're all seared and ready to go. Put them to the side. I do want to like scrape all that burntness away now. Because we don't want burnt shanks.
No.
That's really hot. I think we put the lid on.
Check out this fire, this one here now.
Cranking. How's that lid? Is this... Yeah, she's hot. Do you have a bitcher? I mean a tea towel?
What for?
To take that off.
You want to take this off?
Yeah, I want to empty it. You can do it?
It's a bit hot. Where's those gloves? Where do you want
I
this?
don't know. Just tip it out. And oil it again. Too hot.
Still
Way too hot.
Let it sit for a bit.
Take it off.
Taking it off for a sec.
Leave it off for a sec and then we'll come back to it.
Is it sick or
Put
what?
it right at the back. And now you can cook your damper in this.
Yay.
Perfect at the back. Perfect at the back.
Yep. Cup. Same about that. Al, I didn't put your chair near the fire. Okay. Sure. Alright. We've got our flour in there. What was next?
Apparently icing sugar's like the magic touch. Apparently. Alright. And then water.
That's it. That's it.
No, go more than that.
that's
It's
too
so much
much.
flour.
You reckon?
What do you mean? I make pancakes all the time.
It's too much. Can they
Now
see?
fork it.
You reckon?
Yeah, fork it. And the worst case is you add more flour. Okay, more flour.
The reason why we're using a fork, not our hands, because apparently it's good with the air bubbles.
You need more flour, for sure. Ready? Pressure's on.
A bit too much flour. Put down in the comment section, is that good damper or it needs more water?
Needs more water, for
Okay.
sure. Because he holds it like a ball.
That's it, that's it.
Okay. Oh, you don't reckon that's good? See, I reckon that's great.
I want to...
Yeah, but you're playing too much.
Okay, so
What are you doing?
I'm going to fluffen it out now.
Oh my God.
I'm going to put it here.
Oh my God.
What we're going to do...
Jesus.
What?
You sure that's what you do, Luke?
Yeah, and just...
You're going to dry it out.
No, not just a touch. That's it.
But now you're putting all that dry flour into the bread. You're pressing it in. Plenty. Stop playing with it. That's it. Leave it. And then you put that in the camp stove.
You reckon that's it?
Done. Just stop. Feel like you're just too much.
Stirring it. What are you doing, babes?
Put
we're
some tomato
cooking
paste. Get them cooking because I'm hungry.
Now. Hey?
I'm hungry. You're not hungry?
Yeah.
All right,
Latest
so
we'll
I'm going to
probably eat is like 9:30, I reckon.
10:30.
You reckon 10:30?
Easy.
You reckon?
The shanks.
Hey?
I don't want a tough shank.
You reckon 10:30?
I don't want a tough shank. Garlic salt.
You do.
Salty, salty. Garlic powder.
Julian, hey.
Onion powder.
Onion powder.
A little bit of paprika. That's it. So instead of using beef stock, I'm going to use bone broth this time.
What for?
The stew.
Okay. Bring it in. Oh, listen to that. Put the mic there so you guys can listen to it. Woo, the
My
dance is coming.
tears. I'm just crying. The smoke, too much.
Look at the camera. Look at the tears.
Like just crying. Like this meal's so gonna be worth it. I just know it already. Worcester, Worcestershire, whatever sauce. So I'm gonna put some stems of rosemary into the cook.
I'm gonna let you do this fire tonight.
Are you?
Is that okay?
Yeah, that's okay.
What are you putting in?
Rosemary. Shanks.
You ready for it?
To return.
Oh my god. Oh. You ready for it?
Just put
Oh,
it
the
in.
potatoes are coming in.
Potatoes.
The potatoes.
Yeah.
You like the cooking?
Fresh damper.
Uh,
Butter on the damper. Dip it. Eat it. Steam comes out your mouth as you're eating it because it's so freezing.
It's nothing better. It's nothing better too when you're off grid, like you're not off, but you're camping in the forest and it's so cold, and then you eat this tonight. Yeah, we're off grid. Yeah. Oh,
you didn't mean. Are you okay? Do you want some ice? Stuff your jacket away. That's wool.
I know. All right, is it on? We're on. Damper time. I'll do it right here. I don't know how long this is taking me to cook, boys. You let that get a bit hot. Yeah, beautiful. It's starting to smoke. Cook for me, please. Goes in there. Then what I'm gonna do, just a little bit. The lid. What's the time? 9:03. Right, and then what we'll do. The fuck's that? They come out of it. Right, and we can pull this around. Keep that. I've never done damper, so I don't know if this is gonna work. Hanging to see what this looks like. How long has it been? 9:03, so it's been 30 minutes. Like that. Sand and shit. Alright, we've chucked it on the fire.
Oh, she's hot now.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, right.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Is that hot?
Yeah.
It's warm.
Wait, do it. Nah, it's not ready. Not at all. Not at all. She needs like another hour.
Shit.
Still got dough on my hands.
Yeah.
You have to keep changing the coals every 15 minutes. It has to be hot.
Fucking coals.
Babes, can you do me a favour?
Yeah.
Can you put that on the camp oven?
I reckon. For
Yeah.
10 minutes.
Just let it cook and just put some coals from the camp oven on top.
You reckon?
Yeah, let it get hot. It's just not hot enough.
Oh, let's have a look at it.
Ready?
Yeah. Is it hot? Oh my god! Can you pull one out?
No.
Can you pull one? Yeah, pull the shank out.
Don't mess with something that's not broken.
I did. I thought I had it. Oh, look at that, Al. Alright, the top is hot. We just got to get the inside hot now, Al.
Don't worry, I got it.
I don't want to look. Fucking hell, it's still not ready.
It's just not. It's getting there. Put it on, quick. Just don't stuff around because you're letting the heat out. Put it on. Oh my goodness, honestly. She's cooking now though, eh? Because I think the bottom is like sizzled to the core.
Do you reckon?
Yeah, I reckon keep the coal bed going on top, but take it off. Put it on the floor.
What do you mean keep the
Get
coal?
it out. Everyone's saying get it out. It's burnt. I
You
reckon.
reckon?
No, put that on and grab the handle and take it off as a full
just
and leave
leave
the
it.
coal bed on top. Minkia.
On top?
Yeah, on top. Hot on the bottom. Rotate the pot.
Look what I did.
Oh, no, you didn't me.
I touched it. Fuck.
You're right.
Oh. No.
That's
Really?
ready.
Did I break the record? Cooking the longest damper in history of like.
Listen, I don't think we even talk about records right now because I think this is going to go to shit.
You reckon?
I reckon. What do you reckon?
I reckon it's gonna be good. 3,
3, 2, 1.
1.
Lift off.
Oh! Who said it wasn't ready? Look at that!
I'm so interested. Oh my god, it smells like burnt popcorn though.
Oh my god, it's.
Can you
look at
smell
it.
that?
Oh, look at it. Please look at.
No,
feel
but
it.
someone said knock it.
Right,
She's
right.
hard. Can I tell you something?
What?
I think she's burnt. But
Check
I
it
think
out.
that's okay for our first time.
Let's see. Let's open her up. Oh, fuck, it's hot.
You need a knife. Oh, hold on. Oh, it's upside down.
Oh no.
No, that's good. No, not on the mat. Not even on the table. Put it on the floor. She's not.
It's not cooked though, is it? I don't know.
It's not even. Honestly,
Which yeah?
damper out of 10?
I don't know.
Do you want me to give a rating out of 10?
Yeah.
Oh! I'm getting the butter.
Is that good? I don't know. It doesn't look burnt. Fuck, that looks off its head. Wait a second, let's check this properly, guys. What are you doing?
We're going to both have a piece. Honestly, that is not what I expected at all. I thought it was going to be effed.
Look at this in here.
Don't worry about
Look at
that.
this one here.
Aya. Don't worry about that.
I'll show you the pot. The pot looks like this.
It's clean. Oh my God, I'm actually a bit shocked.
What do you think, honestly?
Honestly, out of 10. Now, come over here. Dip. Oh, I lost my damper.
Oh my god. Fuck, that's good. Oh.
Oh my God. I think you did really well with the damper. I lost my damper in there.
Wait, let me get another piece. Wait.
You didn't burn it at all. There's no burntness. Hey, you cooked your first damper. You even buttered it. Come on. You
Yeah.
cooked your first damper.
Look at that, man. You know?
Come over this side.
Right there. Just take a bite. It's so good. Quick, because I'm going to bite it. Good?
Mmm.
Look at that. Some potato.
Carbs on carbs. That is sick. It's not burnt at all.
Yeah.
You did it.
That's nice.
After 5 hours, nearly 6 hours, you cooked the most perfect damper.
It's off its head.
Mm.
We could do it better next time, though.
No,
But that's
how?
nice. What do you mean?
Just quicker.
Oh, that's so good. More cold. Needed more cold.
Oh my God, I need more.